What a beautiful engine. So this is V60 FSI. As you can see, supercharged petrol engine with V6 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So which side is engine bank? Bank 1, bank 2. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is right hand drive. Engine code for this car is CGWC, something like that. CGWC. Got low coolant, so you can top up coolant right between there. When you top up coolant, it doesn't really necessary to need to full. You just fill right there. This is minimum and maximum, so just fill coolant right here up to here. Warning, don't open when the engine is hot. Very dangerous. It can cause very major injuries to you. This is ABS pump, ABS control module. This is called vacuum pump. With this vacuum pump, secure the brake booster right here. Brake booster hose. As you can see, engine is not operating correctly. There is the brake oil. Brake oil is clean, but the brake oil thing is very dirty. Warning say clean filter cap before removing, something like that. Use only .4. Use only .4 fluid from a sealed container. You gotta use .4 and above. .4, .5, 5.1, whatever. .4 and above. Another major problem with this airflow hose is that over time the engine gets so hot, the engine room gets so hot, and then this crispy, or how to say, I don't know. Over time this became very hot, and then just by touching and a little force, when you removing this, can crack the hit that plastic. So be careful. Engine is shaking and get noisy, so there is some misfiring. Then so my team are diagnosing and scanning. Boy, scanning,
Hey.
I'm making video. Yes, for YouTube. So, any of you have any idea? Give some comment what is wrong with the engine just by looking. So far the engine is very shaky, probably some intake air leak or misfiring or fuel injector, something like that.
Itu siapa punya dia?
Which one? Oh yeah, my cousin.